final question before giving way to our colleagues is the fact that again we seeing that IMAG has been suspended, and there will be at least a year and 4 months before the Southeast Asian Games. What was the budget submitted for next year? Since we are coming off a very successful Olympic Games and possibly a Paralympic Games, what budget have you proposed, and how keen are the lawmakers in passing it for the PSC, the General Appropriations?
I know for the fact that we will be getting, I don't want to mention numbers, but we will be getting a bigger budget for next year. You know, if we were getting an average of 110 million, then it's like 5 to 6 times more for PSC. And for PSC, and I'm not talking about yet for our NSAs. So that's my meeting with PAGCOR when I get back from the Paralympics. But for PSC alone and for PSC's programs, we're getting way more than what we used to receive.
Thank you, sir.
Correction lang, ang budget na yun, proposed budget ng PSC for the DBM is 725 million pesos yung tama. Pero ina-expect ninyo na mas mataas pa magiging budget ninyo for 2025, all thanks sa ating mga senators and of course sa legislators natin. But some follow-up muna tayo sa ibang mga dating pinag-usapan niya sa PSC. What's the status right now nung bagong facility dyan sa may dating boxing sa Kapengat sila gym? Anong latest? Nagka-bidding na ba?
Okay, by September 6, we will actually be groundbreaking. Senator Pia Cayetano will be coming over for the groundbreaking. Maybe September 6 or 8, somewhere there. We're still deciding the final day. Pero by first week of September, may groundbreaking na done. We are right now also doing a MOA with DPWH, and I'm trying to fast track the MOA para maumpisahan na yun baseball, yun museum, and all the dormitories, rehabilitation of all the dormitories in PhilSports and in Rizal.
How about sa PhilNado? Alam natin ang PhilNado fully compliant na sa mga WADA rules, and ina-expect natin within this year magiging independent yan ng POC. Anong latest sa PhilNado?
So far we are clear from all the other from WADA. So also we're just working on the plantilla positions, the 10 plantilla positions for WADA for our PhilNado, and funding is already approved by BBM, so wala nang problema. So we're all cleared ready for WADA.
Okay, sa Batang Pinoy naman sa Puerto Princesa this coming last quarter of the year, kamusta ang preparations natin? Dahil ang dami mga teams na nag-interest niya to compete niya for Batang Pinoy, and of course the PSC is going fast track niya for the preparations na for the Batang Pinoy and PNG. Kamusta na ang preparations, and so far ano yung pinaka-assessment niyo dito sa preparations natin for the Batang Pinoy po?
For preparations for the Batang Pinoy, we started really early. Because I did want to give these kids a more organized event. Medyo last year with combining PNG and Batang Pinoy was an experience for us. Was an experience for me. So I've asked our staff, our PSC employees, to start early so we can actually give these kids a better Batang Pinoy in Puerto Princesa.
Last question na lang, nagkaroon kayo ng meeting with two foreign sports officials sa kahapon, and of course tuloy-tuloy pa rin ang exploratory talks with several foreign leaders for possible collaboration and partnership nga between the PSC and different organizations. Are you looking forward, of course, magiging bunga ng mga partnerships and collaborations with these organizations para palakasin palalo ang ating sports program? Salamat po.
We do have a lot of MOAs with other countries. I do want to take advantage of all these MOAs with other countries, especially if they can help our sports and our athletes. So I will take advantage of this one.
Good morning, Chair. Sports science has played a vital role in this Olympics, especially for the medalists. What are your plans with regards to the MPlus personnel? Is there a plan to increase their numbers to help more sports in this competitions? Thank you.
I think when we talk about MSAS, I think Commissioner Fritz Gaston is actually and the PSC is actually working on our high performance training for our athletes, and we are also getting involved with, because I've noticed that sports today is the training is on a specific sport, hindi pa pwede pareho. So we're trying to get into that level of training for our athletes. So Commissioner Fritz Gaston is in charge, and I'm sure moving forward he will give you updates also in our next PSA forum.